How to tag someone on Instagram post after posting. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can tag someone on Instagram post after posting. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to tag someone on Instagram post after posting, you can first open up Instagram, then head over to your profile and head over to the post that you would like to tag someone on. For instance, this is the post that I have here, this picture, and I want to tag someone on it, right? So what you can do is you can tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and here you can tap on edit option. Once you tap on edit, you'll get the option to tag people right here. As you can see on the screen, tap on tag people and tap here. You can proceed to tap photo to tag people and then add certain users and then proceed to save it, and they'll be tagged here. So it's as simple as it is. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.